Making division easier with repeated subtraction. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we will delve into a fascinating and effective strategy for understanding and performing division. It's called repeated subtraction. Don't worry if you haven't heard of it before. We're going to break it down together in this video. First things first, let's recap what division is. Division is one of the four basic operations in mathematics, alongside addition, subtraction, and multiplication. When we divide, we're essentially sharing or distributing a quantity into equal parts. For instance, if we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. This means that if we have 10 items and we divide them equally among 2 people, each person gets 5 items. Now, let's move on to our main topic, repeated subtraction. In simple terms, repeated subtraction is the process of subtracting the same number again and again until we reach 0. It's a different way of looking at division, but the results are the same. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose we want to divide 15 by 3. Instead of doing it in the usual division way, we can subtract 3 from 15 repeatedly. First, we start with 15 and subtract 3. We get 12. Next, we subtract 3 from 12, which gives us 9. Then, we subtract 3 from 9 and we get 6. After that, we subtract 3 from 6 and we get 3. Finally, we subtract 3 from 3, and we are left with 0. During this process, we have subtracted 3 5 times to reach 0. Therefore, we can say that 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, repeated subtraction helps us in performing division operations in a more intuitive way. Practice is key to mastering any skill. So, try to practice repeated subtraction with different numbers. Start with smaller numbers and gradually try with larger numbers. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Congratulations! You've learned a new strategy to make division easier and more understandable. Remember, math is not about memorizing procedures, but about understanding the concepts. And repeated subtraction is a great way to understand division. Keep practicing and you'll see how division becomes a lot easier and intuitive. We hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in our next video.